Hi, Felicia here with the Jaws Just Add Water system. Today I'm going to do a tutorial and explain to you how the products work, whether you received your first shipment or you're just curious on hearing more on the system and why it might be beneficial for your home. The Jaws cleaning system of products is the original refill pod system, and they've been around for 10 years, saving millions of bottles that end up in the landfill. So when you receive your first shipment, it's going to arrive to empty, and you go ahead and you add your own water. So why ship water when you can go ahead and add your own? And each bottle has a fill to here line. The purpose of that is so that when you add the pod to the bottle, it doesn't overfill. Insert the pod, and each of the bottles comes with a heavy-duty sprayer. Super simple. Go ahead and thread it on. You're going to hear it make a small click. Concentrate will release into the water, and you're ready to go with your next bottle of cleaner. So today I was really excited to show you how I organize my pods. With the refill pod system, I don't have to worry about storing whole containers of product. I can keep them all organized. Super simple in this store. It's also great that these are child resistant, so they're safe, and I know that they're only going to open up when they're released into the bottle. When I'm ready to make a new product, simply grab one, ready to go. What I love about the Jaws products is that not only are they environmentally friendly, easy on my budget, they're also non-toxic. I can't tell you how many times the kids drop something on the floor, put it into their mouth, but I know with these products that they're non-toxic and they're safe, which is, bottom line, probably the most important thing for our family and our household. There's a Jaws product for every surface in your home, from your windows to your floors to your kitchen countertops. So go ahead and do yourself a favor and check out jawscleans.com today.